Let's make a chain in Blender. Shift A and add a torus. Now press number pad 3 to go to side view. Take the extrude tool. Now select the top vertex. Extrude it along the Z axis. Now go to material preview and apply a material. Put the metallic all the way up to 1 and a little bit of roughness. Now go back to solid view. Select your object and apply a rigid body. Change the shape to mesh. Now select your object, duplicate it and rotate it on Z axis by 90 degrees. Again, select your two torus and duplicate it one more time on Z axis. You can press Shift R to repeat the last action. Now let's add a plane, extrude it on Z axis and add a rigid body. Change it to passive and now you can play your simulation. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next tutorial.